It's a bit bad. Could use a little improvement. What's this I got here on my desk? You can probably guess where this is going. Alrighty, so I got my new memory sticks here. I've been waiting for over a week because unfortunately Amazon Prime has been bogged down. So these memory sticks should up the memory to 8 gigs versus the current 2 gigs that this thing has, and let me tell you, that's bad. Alright, so now that we got that out, we have to shut the Mac down. And wait for it to shut down. Oh man, this seems heavy. I forgot how heavy this is. Oh, might want to unplug the power cord. I have something to show you. Alright, so down here, this part of the iMac is a tray that I have to unscrew and pull out. And this is in the tray. And let's try this again. What driver do I need? Not this one. There we go. That looks a little bit. I really hope I'm not filming a video of just me trying to select the perfect screwdriver. Oh, say hi to my friend, by the way, guys. Ready? I can pull this off. And look at what we have here. So I've never actually been inside this tray before. So one way or another, I think you pull the tab to eject it. Okay, I'm not too sure at this point. Yeah, note to self, do not try this at home. Oh wait, too late. It doesn't really give you any note. Oh! I'm an idiot! There's instructions right here. So it says pull this out. Pulling it doesn't help, so evidently I gotta... Is there a button I push? Yeah, I just noticed there's instructions written right here. So this is stuck. I know it's removable. So, I'm on your phone since we're recording with mine at the moment.
Yeah.
I'm gonna quickly Google something. Where's Google?
It's fine. No, other way. Yeah.
Alrighty. Okay, so my friend just left, so I'm left to doing this alone, but evidently I just YouTubed it, and I could really use a tripod. I guess I'll leave it to the tripod. Alright, now that I got it on the tripod, let's try this again. So evidently I am supposed to pull them. So I'm just having bad luck by having slippery hands. Why do I have to have such a problem with gripping things? I can't grip anything. Stupid eczema. Come on. Apple did a better job making ejectable RAM memory in the newer iMacs. Alright, well, the thing is I have to pull these tabs to get this out. That's pretty much where I'm going to sum it up. Pull the tabs. To pull it out, I'm going to stop recording here because I'm just going to waste footage. So, just pull these tabs to pull the memory out. Alrighty. So now we finally got them out. I had to go get some help from upstairs because my hands don't grip worth a... So the old memory has been taken out and here is the new memory. So now it's time to put them in after I figure out which orientation they came out. Oh, I see the pin. Okay, so they go in this way, and you pretty much just shove it in best you can. Ow. Okay. RAM stick number 1 is installed. RAM stick number 2 is installed. Okay. So before I actually put the cover back on, I want to make sure that the iMac still boots up to make sure that it really is installed. So let's put it here. Let's adjust the tripod. All right, let's see if she posts. All right, we have a post. Now, let's see if she boots. All right, we're in the process of booting. Okay. So far, we're looking good. All right, operating system is loading. And I guess at this point, I'll put the cover back on. Okay, so now that we're booted up again, first of all, I noticed this thing just zipped through the loading the desktop screen. Normally it takes forever, but well, not this time. I mean, look how fast this is zipping through. This is a 2009 iMac. I just upgraded it from 2 gigabytes of memory to 8. And now all of a sudden this thing is zipping through. Holy crap, that is fast. Let me try to load iMovie, see if I can create a project this time. Oh my God, this is faster than my MacBook Pro. Let's try to create a new movie. And we crashed again. Let's see. Oh wow. How does this boot so fast? I'm just shocked. This thing is performing like a charm, except for iMovie. I don't know why iMovie isn't working. I'll probably have to try re-downloading it because that's probably what's going on. Still, holy crap, how are my programs in Windows loading this quickly? They used to take forever. Even the internet's faster. I need to be honest here, I'm surprised at what this memory upgrade did. So yeah, believe it or not, I think this is worth it. Totally worth the cost to upgrade the memory in this thing, because as you can see, it's performing like a charm versus it's taking like 30 seconds to load everything. Wow. I am shocked. This Intel Core 2 Duo and NVIDIA graphics card is no slouch. And now that we got the memory to do all of this, holy crap, this is fast. Alrighty. Well, that is how you upgrade the memory in a 2009 iMac. And assuming I can get iMovie to work properly, I might actually use this. I might actually start using this to edit all my videos now that I got, first of all, a ton of memory and it's performing like a charm. Just gotta get iMovie working. Alrighty. Random Alpha, signing out.